evening and a very happy new year to all our followers at Balanced Nutrition. Yet again, we are late by 15 minutes, but nevertheless, we did a topic analysis, and as per the topic analysis, today's topic is plateauing during weight loss. Well, my name is Khyati Rupani and I am a nutritionist by profession. Happy to help you at any time, and this is a video specially dedicated to weight loss plateau. Weight loss plateau एक ऐसी term है which is highly misunderstood according to me. Having been 100 kgs myself and now maintaining at 56-57 did involve a lot of plateau. Plateau का मतलब क्या है? Plateau is when a 100 kg person loses weight beautifully, reaches 90 kgs, and at 90 kgs that person is stuck. So after 3 months, if you're doing your diet plan, if you're doing your workout, जो भी कर रहे हो और तब आपका weight loss stuck हो जाए, like it stops at 90 kgs, that is what we call as a plateau. Now, most of us get very demotivated during a plateau. Before I suggest you tips on how to manage a plateau, let me ask my team if everything is okay. At all places we're good, all four, everything fine? Viewing, you're able to see everything? Shruti, are you able to share everything?
Yes.
Excellent. So, let me now continue as per our topic today, that is weight loss plateau. सबसे पहले तो let's identify when do you plateau. ठीक है? Plateau happens when your weighing scale is not moving for 2 weeks. ठीक है? So in 14 days, if you see a weight loss of 100 grams or less, that means you have plateaued. Plateau is a reaction of the body. ठीक है ना? A body which is comfortable carrying 100 kgs of weight, already उसको हमने 90 kgs पे लाया है. The body takes time to settle with a new weight. हम पता है नए घर में जाते हैं, so we take our own sweet time to settle down. नया kitchen और imagine if you're going to a new city, है ना? उसका climate, उसका lifestyle, उसका timing, all that matters. So your body also needs some time. This is for all my clients who have plateaued, and you must listen to this video. Sometimes what happens is certain amount of foods stop reacting. तो एक अच्छी high fiber, low fat diet जो हम follow करते हैं, या if you're following a pattern of eating every 2 hours, all those patterns which happen in the first phase of weight loss stop reacting to your body. ठीक है? Here is when you should understand कि हमको कुछ करना पड़ेगा. So I am giving you 5 to 6 tips which will help you accelerate your weight loss despite being on a plateau. So tip number 1 will be, I know I'm not a big fan of this tip, but still, पहली वाली tip है track your calories. ठीक है? I always say that don't worry इसमें कितना कैलोरी है, उसमें कितना कैलोरी है, इसमें क्या है, because that is a term which is very relative. If I have given you 1 bowl of dal chawal in your diet, ठीक है, मेरा दाल, the way, even if you're following my recipe, calorie difference of 20 to 50 calories हर dish में होगा ही, right? Unless and until it is packaged foods. So when you are on a plateau, which means आप phase 2 weight loss में हो, and at that time is the right time where Balanced Nutrition at least teaches you how to track calories. ये calories हम आपको track कराते हैं of foods which you forget to eat. चलते चलते एक बिस्किट खा ली, we forgot. Okay, those calories have to be tracked. चलते चलते we are late today, I'm hungry, स्टेशन पे आया हूँ, everything else is shut, ये वड़ा पाव वाला खुला है, आज के दिन मैं खा लेता हूँ. Oh, I'll share the vada pav. No, even that half vada pav is something that you will have to track the calorie of. तो calorie थोड़ी track करो of which foods, of foods that are junk, ठीक है? Of foods that are unhealthy, of foods जो आप कभी डाइट में वरना नहीं खाते, right? Restaurant guide तो है ही, so if you're eating foods from the restaurant guide, no problem. But if you're eating food which is not in your restaurant guide, then please track those calories. पता चलेगा कि एक्स्ट्रा कैलोरीज अराउंड 500 to 600 आर गोइंग इन द वीक, जो हमको पता ही नहीं था. फ्रेंड्स के साथ सैटरडे मूवी गए, 2 सिप पेप्सी ले ली, इवन दैट विल मैटर. नाउ टिप नंबर 2 इज, as I just said a small part of it, please watch your weekends. Many clients say that your Monday to Saturday सब सही चलता है, Saturday evening and we are off the diet, right? So Saturday and Sunday is the time when you should now start watching a little more. सबको क्या लगता है? I mean, in fact in December, because the app came out, I personally spoke to a lot of clients who have lost 15 kgs, 16 kgs and now are getting little demotivated because that last 5 kgs जो है ना वो हो नहीं रहा है. That time I told them, what about your weekends? You know, why are you relaxing? Why are you not making double effort? तो जो phase 1 में होता था, where your weekends did include a cheat meal and you still lost weight, अब नहीं होगा. The body needs to change a little and the body needs to shake a little. जो भी वीकेंड में रॉन्ग लिख रहे हो, make sure that you are writing it down and make sure that you are telling your dietitian. If you are not on a diet plan with us, make sure that आप वीकेंड में जो खा रहे हो ना उसकी नोट डाउन करो. If it is exceeding, your cheat meal is exceeding 400 calories, you've made a mistake. Okay? Now the third point and the most important point is the topic that I also personally don't like at all. मेरे साथ भी यही हुआ था. Being fat or being plump, okay, or being chubby comes with its set of complications. सबसे बड़ा complication होता है hormonal imbalance. वो blood report में पकड़ा नहीं जाता. You're not going to be able to catch it in any blood report, but subclinically you will not have the reports of your hormones at the optimal levels. You will find that there is a mess somewhere here or there in terms of either vitamin D levels, in terms of prolactin, in terms of PCOS or ovaries going haywire. That is the time when we say एक hormonal test करा लेते हैं. At least पता तो चले. Majorly at this time, if somebody is having thyroid, it comes in the way. But इसका मतलब ये है कि hormone आया, after this you're not going to be able to lose weight. No, you will very much be able to lose weight. Okay, so you just need to know that this weight loss is coming in the way because of your hormones. So hormonal inefficiencies की भी एक diet plan होती है. The other and the last point that I want to make to identify your plateau and to address it is stress. ठीक है? I know as a dietitian I cannot, or I'm not an expert, or I don't have a magic wand to help you get rid of your stress, but I must tell you that stress का सीधा effect हमारे weight loss या even health पे होता है, right? Even lack of sleep during stress, we don't tend to sleep. जब lack of sleep होती है या जब stress होता है, body stops utilizing fat and sugar. Okay, and at that time क्या होगा? Your sugar and your fat keep piling on. आप stress से बचने के लिए क्या करते हो? Hello, can I have a double cheese pizza today? और नहीं, आज तो मैं केक खाऊंगा. और no, I'm going to have a large today. I'm going to have a big glass of wine today. All these are not going to be of any help. They are just adding to your other issues. Now comes the most important part, which is क्या करें, right? So how to tackle with your plateau is something that you will need to do. Step number 1 is spices. Okay, we will have to check on the amount of spices, and I'm telling you this because it is winter. You will have to make sure that you are adding 3 spices somewhere or the other in your meal. First spice, cinnamon. कैसे भी करके, whether it is on your fruit, whether it is in your coffee, whether it is just 1 spoon in the morning before you get to work, you will have to make sure that you make cinnamon a big part of your daily routine. Second spice, or rather let's say I call it a seed also, it is methi. Okay, you will have to make sure that fenugreek seeds or methi seeds are also added in your diet. For us, we call it the healthy spice mix. We make a mix of equal amount of cinnamon, equal amount of fenugreek and equal amount of jeera. These three spices are going to work inside and raise your metabolism. अगर आपको acidity है, you have 1 spoon of this with 1 katori of dahi, start of the day, end of the day. अगर आपको acidity नहीं है, you can have it with water, 1 teaspoon start of the day, 1 teaspoon end of the day. Tip number 2, old yet very effective. Water, mostly infused. Okay, you will need to make sure that you keep infused water with you. This is the season where you get maximum fresh herbs. फिर वो चाहे celery हो, फिर वो चाहे basil हो, पुदीना हो, any of these herbs. Along with what I do is I put my cinnamon in it. तो मैं रात को जब घर जाऊंगी, I will ensure that I eat up the cinnamon as well. You have to make sure that you are having 2 liters of this kind of water, come what may at any point in time. Okay, and the last tip that I have for you is a little boring, but still you will have to start including a little activity. activity. Most of us in phase 1, at least at Balanced Nutrition, do not exercise that much. But when it is a plateau, we tell the client, start with a 20-minute walk. Okay, make sure you increase it to 30 or 40 at least 3 times a week. If you're already exercising, then it's time to change your workout. Change the timing of your workout. If you are doing strength training, maybe it's the time to give it up for some time before you see a drop in the scale. These are some excellent tips that I could give you from my side for breaking the plateau in 2020. A small announcement I think that I should make is that we had extended offers on enrolling in Balanced Nutrition diet programs, which are ending tomorrow. So please feel free to call 9820543329 to get your offer. For our existing clients, first time in the history of Balanced Nutrition, you had your wallet expiring 7 days later than the date that was told to you. So all of you who have 5,000, 6,000 and 7,000 rupees in your wallet, this is the time to enroll in the Plateau Breaker, Reform Intermittent or any advanced weight loss program. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, Shruti will be putting the app links in the comment section, or just go to the Play Store or the App Store, type Balanced Nutrition and we are right there. Till then, I think I've said everything I have to. There has been more than 10,000 words spoken in less than 8 minutes. So a big bye from Team Balanced Nutrition and Kathy. Bye.